How's it going, fellas? Just an update on the saws. On the sauce. You know what I'm saying? We got the 562 here, and this thing has the freaking Steadfast Forestry Products exhaust on it. We finally got it in. It's been in for a minute now, but I'm finally making a review on it here. They did a complete overhaul on this exhaust versus the 550. It's a lot slimmer of a design. You can tell their welders have gotten a lot better. It's super clean, and it sounds, you already know what I mean. So we're gonna do a little startup here of this thing. Get a little review going because it's been a minute, and yeah, you guys, I mean, this thing is freaking sick. Like, we'll do a startup here. This is actually a cold start from about, I don't know, I'd say I haven't started it in probably at least a few weeks. So we're primed up here, and yeah. So yeah, there you have it. Now that my ears are bleeding, this thing's an absolute freaking beast. And I don't know, anyone that tells you otherwise, I would not be surprised if this thing would compete with this thing. No doubt about it. Absolutely, 100%. This thing is a freaking beast. As you can see, I gotta tighten the chain now. I must have loosened up a bit, but yeah, this thing is a freaking animal, and I'm excited to put it through some wood. And you know, the Mark II with this Steadfast Forestry Products exhaust on it, it's an absolute game changer. This is the only saw you'd need. I mean, maybe, you know, with the auto tune and the 562 updated, I think that, I want to find someone that would run a 572 against this thing. I mean, with this exhaust and this setup, I wouldn't be surprised if this thing would definitely keep up with it. Like, you know, stock versus, you know, the 562 with the pipe on it. I think we'd have a good chance. So anyway, yeah, this thing is a monster, and best bucking saw you could get for firewood, for sure. Anyone who tells you different has never cut a stick of firewood in their life. So anyways, fellas, that's all I wanted to say here, and yeah, have a good one. Make sure to subscribe.